Oh my guess! Would you rather snacks and junk food edition? Before starting, subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes. Let's get started. What would you rather? Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks? Would you rather nuggets or onion rings? Left or right? Hershey's or Reese's? Would you rather Coke or Pepsi? Which one do you prefer the most? Twizzlers or Red Vines? Which one do you prefer? Which one will you choose? Fritos or Lay's? Kit Kat or Milky Way? Left one or right one? How about this one? Which one will you select? And how about this one? Select one. Andy Capp's hot fries or Cheetos Puffs? Left or right? Which one? How about this one? What would you choose? Would you rather Snickers or M&M's? How about this one? Cheesecake or slice of apple? Cheez-Its or Goldfish? Left or right? What about this one? Which one would you prefer most? Lucky Charms or Fruit Loops? Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun.